guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natia Wai. I go by Beauty Rebellion. And if you're not new, welcome back, Rebels. Today's video is in collaboration with UNice Hair Company. They sent me over their newest EasyContour V-part wig. Yes, y'all, this wig I have on right now is a V-part wig. And let me tell y'all, this one is for my natural hair girlies. Like, if you want a really natural look that's really versatile, I'm about to show y'all. You can go from this to this to this in a matter of seconds. And to think it only took me 5 minutes to install it, literally like a 5-minute sew-in. And what makes this wig so different from other V-part wigs is that it has a drawstring in the back, y'all. Yep, let me show y'all. It literally has a drawstring in the back of the wig, which makes the wig fit so snug. So y'all know when y'all get y'all V-part wigs and sometimes the back is loose because it's too big for your head? No more of that. Like, you don't even have to worry about that no more. This wig fits so snug on my little tiny head. I am impressed. So guys, if you're interested in learning all about this V-part wig and how I got it to look like this, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get right into it. I'm starting out with my natural hair pressed. I literally just cut my hair into a bob a few days ago. With my 28th birthday approaching this month, I'm really trying to go for a more mature approach with my hairstyling choices and also embrace my natural hair, hairline, and big old forehead more. So when UNice hit me about this new V-part wig, I was so here for it. This is their new upgraded EasyContour V-part wig. This one they sent me is 24 inches and it came in a kinky curly texture, and it's also 150% density. They got rid of that annoying weft at the top and actually added hair over it, which makes a more seamless and flawless install. The cap is very breathable. It comes with an elastic band as well and an adjustable elastic drawstring. So no more gaps in your V-part wigs, girls. It literally fits any head size and you can adjust it while it's on your head or once you take it off. They upgraded the clips with higher quality material, which makes the wig even more secure. So let's go ahead and install it and see if it's just as good as they say it is. So I'm starting out by sectioning off my leave out. I'm parting that middle section of hair into a V-like shape to match the V-part opening on the wig. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it down to keep it out of the way for now. And once that's done, I'm just going ahead and sectioning off my edges on both sides just to make sure that if I do want to put that hair up in a ponytail, I can, because I have some leave out around my edges as well. So I'm just braiding that down, and yeah, I'm going to do it on both sides. So once that's done, guys, I was trying to debate whether or not I wanted to braid my hair down in the back or if I wanted to go ahead and slick it back in a ponytail. But what I decided to do was just go ahead and slick it back in a ponytail, just because I am going to take it off at night. I do plan on wearing this wig for a while, but I am going to take it off at night, so it'll make it easier just to take my ponytail out and let my hair breathe at night. So yeah, just going ahead and putting it in a tight ponytail If you plan on wearing this wig without taking it off, I would suggest to use an anchor braid. That way you can attach the clips to that braid. But because they have these new upgraded clips, it makes it so much easier. You don't even have to braid your hair down. And I'm going to show you how. So as you've seen, I just went ahead and took my elastic band off because I don't need it. And I'm just taking the clips, opening them up, and pressing them into my hair around where my part starts at. Once you push those clips in, you just go ahead and close them. And y'all, it is just as easy as that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now that the wig is on and is secure in the front, let's go ahead and secure the back. I'm going to push the hair up a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. And I'm going to turn around so you guys can see me just pulling the drawstring. And I don't know if you can tell how much tighter the wig is now, but it was feeling so tight on my head. Like, it literally felt like a sew-in. So all you have to do is pull the drawstring, pull that little button up, and it's secure. So I took the clip out, and now it's time to get this hair together, y'all. I'm going ahead and pulling the curls out just to see how the hair looks in its natural state. Even though we're not going to keep it like this, I do want to show you guys how it would look if you wanted to keep it like this. So guys, since I did press my hair, you guys can see that my hair is straight compared to the texture of the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and use my wand curls, and I'm going to add some wand curls to the top of my hair where I have that leave out, and also on the sides, just so it can blend a little bit better. And then we're going to get into getting this hair together. So these are the wands that I'm going to be using. These wands are so old. They're from Irresistible Me. And y'all, all the words and everything came off. Like, that's how long I've had these wands for. But what I'm going to do is just take my leave out piece by piece, and I'm going to curl it really small to match the pattern of the hair. Just a suggestion, guys, if you do plan on keeping it in its natural state and you get this wig, make sure to have some smaller wands because my curls definitely was not matching. But as you can see, I'm going ahead and adding some layers to the hair. I'm just clipping the ends and shaping it a little bit just to make it look a little bit more natural and give the look that I want it to give. So guys, this is what it looks like in its natural state. I tried curling my hair to match the texture, but as you guys can see, the texture of the hair, the curl pattern is a lot tighter. So what I'm going to do now, since you guys see what the hair looks like in its natural state, I'm gonna go ahead and wet the hair completely, and then hopefully it matches with my hair texture a little bit better. So guys, I went ahead and wet up the hair completely, and I also wet my hair and added like some little twists and then pulled them out. And I think that this looks so much better than trying to wear it in its natural state, honestly. The curl pattern of this hair is so pretty. And one thing I will say is that the curls are super soft. It does not blend 100% with my hair texture, but I think I made it work as best as I can. So just so that it looks a little bit more natural, you see my hair stops right here. I'm gonna go ahead with my scissors and just add some layers to the front of the wig, just so that it doesn't look too unnatural where my real hair stops and starts. So not too much. We definitely don't want it to be too short in the front, but where my hair stops and starts, I want that part to really blend in with the curl pattern. So just putting it in between where those curls are, and then of course doing it on the other side. So y'all, we are almost done. I'm just going in next with my hairspray, my favorite spritz, and I'm just spraying that all over the curls just so that they stay looking nice and juicy throughout the day. I'm also spraying it all over my natural hair as well so that it doesn't puff up and it stays in place throughout the day. After that, I'm just going ahead and playing around with the curls and positioning them the way I want them to be, making sure that my hair is blending in with those curls. And next, I'm just going to go in with my edge control. I'm not going to do no crazy baby hairs, but I do want to slick down my edges a little bit, just so that if the wind blow and the wig lifts up a little bit, yes, you can see my edges are laid. Y'all, and also if I decide to wear this hair up in a ponytail or a side part or whatever, my edges will be laid and I don't have to worry about that. I'm actually pretty proud of myself for this blend. I have not did a leave out in so long, so I'm getting up close so you guys can see just how well I blended this hair. I'm also going to go ahead and push it up so you guys can see. If you want to wear it in a ponytail, it's actually seamless. Like, you cannot see the sides of the V-part wig. It looks so natural. I absolutely love it. And then I'm going to take it down and also show you guys what it would look like if you wanted to go ahead and wear it on a side part. I personally love side parts, and I think the side part looks so bomb. But y'all, when have you guys ever seen a V-part wig like this? A V-part wig where you're able to do all of this with it. Y'all, when they said upgraded, they meant it, and they really put their foot into making this V-part wig. I think they did a great job, and it's definitely worth the hype. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. As you guys seen, this wig is so versatile. For a V-part wig, first of all, I've never wore a V-part wig in my life that I can put up into a half up, half down, side part, middle part, whatever. I always felt like I needed frontals for that, or just wear my natural hair. but this wig gives me the versatility that I need. Like I said earlier in the video, y'all, I am trying to embrace the forehead a little bit more, and I'm not trying to wear as many lace front wigs. I'm trying to get into my mature era. I feel like the lace fronts, they look good for the most part, but I really want to get into embracing my natural hairline and just giving a more natural look to my hairstyles. So I definitely feel like this wig right here gives me that more natural feel. I don't have to worry about my lace lifting up later because this wig is a V-part wig. Guys, like I said, this is one of their newest additions to their wig collection. It's their EasyContour V-part wig. If you're interested in purchasing this wig and you like what you see, I will leave all the details to this wig as well as UNice Hair Company's wig website down below in my description box. Definitely leave me some feedback down below in my comment section. I would love to know what you guys think about this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.
My heart is on the pavement. Yeah. Why would you just break it? You just break it. Said that I'm the one that you can live without. But look at you, you living.